Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Counterbalance monitor arm, and this one will allow you to have 3 different monitors. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So, like I said, you will have 3 different monitors you can connect to, and this is going to be great to get rid of stands and just make more space on your desk. And the option just to rotate the monitors. So let's go ahead and open it up right now. Just see how complicated this will be actually to assemble, and hopefully it's not too bad. So I opened this the wrong way, so let's flip it over right now. Let's see what's inside. So here it is. Got my instruction manual right here. So let's see, I have my monitors over on my table right now. I will have to take off the back plate so I can screw on the plates for this. Let's see, what do we got here? Let's cut this. Alright. I'm hoping with these arms I don't have to assemble all the little small details, and it looks like this piece is together. So that's a positive. Alright, here's another one. What does this say? Stored energy hazard. Okay, so this is probably spring loaded. When I disconnect it, it's going to pop out. Do not remove the cable around the spring arm. Firmly hold the 2 halves of the spring arm together and have another person remove the cable tie from around the spring arm. Okay, maybe I can do that, like put it between my legs. Let's try that. Well, that wasn't bad whatsoever. It went out like maybe 6 inches when it sprung open. Alright, so is this all one arm? Interesting. Let's open this up. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Okay, so this is together. So there's 2 different arms right here. Alright. This is kind of heavy. Maybe what? Maybe 10 to 15 pounds? Let's move that to the side. Alright, so we got nuts and bolts and screws and spacers right here. We got some more spacer nuts and bolts. I'm assuming you get one for each monitor. Yep. Tools, lots of tools. Maybe spare parts there too. So what is this? Not sure. Let's get it out of the box. Assuming that's the base where it kind of rests on. Now these are like the little back plates that you will screw on the monitors. Oops. Yep, so assuming I have 3 of these. Yep, here's the next 2. Now everything is in here. Alright, what is this one? Alright, so that's that. And this is the last arm, or what is this? Oh, this is the pole. So get everything out of the plastic and I'll put it to the side. So this will be the center pole, I'm assuming. This will clamp onto my desk. Oh, this one seems a lot better than the one I had for my, was it microphone? So this will clamp underneath your desk. And, yep, I think we went through everything in the box. I'm just going to go ahead and assemble it here. And, let's see. I'll read through the instructions and I'll set it up. And I'll give you guys a visual of what it looks like when it's completed. So on the back of your monitor, you're going to have to screw these in. You may see like 4 little screw holes on the back of your monitor. So with this monitor, I'm going to have to unscrew this stand from it, and then I'll have areas where I can screw this back plate on. Alright, well this monitor doesn't have anything on it, so I mean literally all I'm going to do is boom, just like that, screw it on, and there I go. So that is the basics of it. I'm just going to screw the back plates on the monitors, and then I'm going to assemble everything right now. Okay, so I finally have this set up, and it's kind of nice actually. I like having nothing on the bottom here under my monitors. And one of the cool things is, you know, if I want to monitor a little bit higher up, I can go ahead and adjust it up there. Now, there seems like there's only two heights to it, you know, this height and the lower. But on the back, I mean, you can adjust it, the entire thing up or lower, depending on how much clearance you want on the bottom here. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Depending on your desk though, like mine, since I have this mat over the top, I just kind of clamp it down to this mat. It's a little bit wobbly for me, but it seems fine as long as I don't start touching the monitors. But it's not going to fall over on me. I made sure to clamp it down real tight. So let's get a closer view here. So coming around the back here, this is kind of how it looks like with everything set up, as you can see. And yeah, this entire thing can go up and down depending on what height you want. And I kind of have it just connected right through the table. There's a hole in my desk, so yeah, I just kind of stretch this arm out. And this is how the back plate looks after you have it connected to a monitor. And that was real easy to put on. This is actually really easy to assemble everything in total here. It probably took me about a half an hour once you have everything set up with your monitor. Took me a while to actually get my base off of my monitor. That's probably the hardest part. So I have two 4K monitors, and this one's 1080p. I think I can go up to like 144 FPS with this one. So when I adjust it up and down, it kind of looks like this one moves up. And yep, so you can adjust it pretty much any way you want, and it's really nice. I actually enjoy this setup much more than having a bunch of different stands, and I'm able to just, you know, put stuff underneath here as I see fit. I have a lot more room. So if this video did indeed help you out get a better idea of this stand, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.